Hi everyone, I'm Bree, the Coupon Queen. Thank you for tuning in. If it is your first time on the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner and hit the notification tab. That way you'll be up to date and get notifications whenever I post a new video with deals, coupons, where to get them, and how to use them. So I wanted to do an how-to video. I've gotten a lot of questions from friends and family about where I get my inserts, different terminology that a lot of couponers use. So let's dive in. Okay, so first, where I get my coupons is from the Sunday paper. Pretty old-fashioned, the Orlando Sentinel. Every Sunday, they're gonna have the ads for the different stores, Target's in there, Family Dollar, Dollar General, Walgreens and CVS as well. So I get one or two of these depending on the deals that are gonna be going on for the week. Inside the ads has all the coupons, so I clip all the coupons and that's where I get the majority of them. I also get some coupons on WeCouponClips with a Z.com. You can order full inserts there, or I'll go to the couponmarketplace.com and you can order individually clipped coupons. So if there's a really hot deal, I'll just individually order those coupons. That way I can double up if it's a good stock up price. Okay, so every Sunday, what I'll do is I'll go through, this is the Walgreens ad for the week. I'll also look through the CVS ad for the week, see what some good deals are, see what matchups I have based on my CRTs. So I'll go into CRTs, what it means. It's called Customer Register Tape. It's for CVS. When you walk into CVS, it's called a red box. It's different from where you get your DVDs, obviously. The red box, you will scan your reward card. I have mine linked to my phone, so I just bring my phone, log into the CVS app and scan the card that way. Then, based on your purchasing habits, you'll get a bunch of different coupons. Also, there'll be a few coupons that'll print for everyone. So today, we had some coupons that printed for everyone for some Hershey's. There was another one that printed for everyone as well. I don't quite remember what it was. This is what an extra buck looks like. These are the rewards that you're going to get from CVS for some of the different deals. You know, a spending deal or a buy two, get X amount of extra bucks. In couponing videos, you'll see them called ECBs, so that's what that means. This is an example of a CVS CRT. This one is for $1.50 off of $5 for Lysol. So there's two different types of CRTs. There's this type where there's a spend amount. You have to hit that $5 spend amount or the CRT will not work. There's also just a $2 off one for Breeze. So that's something as well that you can do. Doesn't matter what the price is, you're gonna get $2 off. So those are the two different types of coupons from CVS. Now as far as Walgreens, sometimes you'll get points back. 4,000 points, every 1,000 points is $1. So you want to make sure that you register for the Walgreens as well. Their rewards app you can get. Link it to your phone, same as CVS. You'll go through the different kinds of coupons on the app. You'll hit send to card, and then when you type in your phone number at the register, those different coupons will come off of your total. So you can either get the points or sometimes you'll get register rewards. So this is a $7 register reward. This will print at the register. So sometimes theirs isn't working. So just make sure that you guys are double checking that. Make sure you're writing down exactly how many points and how many rewards you're supposed to be getting back. That way you won't have any issues. So let's now go into the different inserts you're gonna get in the Sunday paper, what they're called, and the different terminology for those. Okay, so this is the Retail Me Not. Oh, I just lost a coupon. This is the Retail Me Not. Sometimes there'll be, and you'll see it up here labeled, sometimes there's so many coupons that they'll split it up into two different inserts. So for this Sunday paper, there are two as well. Retail Me Not, this one has some of the Family Dollar ads in it as well. When you go through it, you can just print out, this is like for Axe, you just cut them out and you can use those during your transactions. Okay, the other one is the Smart Source. So this is the other insert where I get a lot of my coupons. There is also the Dollar General ad inside the Smart Source. So make sure you take a look at that, see what deals are gonna be coming up for the following week. Savvy tip for CVS, I always go in the morning. What my routine is on Sunday morning, I wake up early, I go print out my red box, then I get a Sunday paper from CVS. the last 3 times, the last 3 Sundays I've done this, it printed out some additional coupons on the receipt. So today I got a $5 off $20 spend on Pantene hair care, which I used today. And then I also got another $2 off of Garnier Fructis style products. So I'm not saying that's a regular thing, I'm not really sure, but the last 3 weekends I've done it, it's worked for me. So maybe it'll work for you as well. So then the Sunday paper winds up being free. Otherwise it is $4. So that's another savvy tip for you guys. If you do have any other questions, or if anything that I explained wasn't super clear, please drop a comment, let me know, and I'll be sure to respond to you guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and I will see you guys later for my haul video today. I went to CVS, so we got a lot of great goodies, so be sure to stay tuned.